Dear students, we have already started the topic percentage. In the previous class, you have learned what is a percentage. You have learned that percentage is a way of comparing quantities. You must have solved several problems involving this concept. In this class, mainly we will discuss about how to find the given percentage of a quantity, how to express a quantity as a percentage of another quantity, and how to find the percentage increase and percentage decrease in quantities. So before starting today's topic, let us recall what you have learned in the previous class. Mainly let us see what is meant by a percentage. We have seen that percentage is the numerator of a fraction with the denominator 100. In other words, we can say that we can replace the symbol percentage with a fraction 1 by 100. For example, 20 by 100 can be written as 20%. Or 20% means 20 parts out of 100. Similarly, we can write 6% as 6 by 100, or it is 6 parts out of 100 parts. And 65% can be written as 65 by 100. So these are certain examples for percentage. Now, in this class, we will study how to find out the percentage or a particular percentage of a given quantity. For example, we have to find out 25% of 300. So for that, what is the calculation to be done? That's what we are going to study in this video. Finding the percentage of a given quantity. For that, we have a procedure. To find the percentage of a given quantity, change the percentage into fraction and multiply by the given quantity. Let us understand it through an example. Here we have to find out 15% of 250. So first of all, we have to change the percentage into fraction. We know that 15% means 15 by 100. Then you have to multiply with the given quantity. So it is 15 by 100 into 250. Now 15 by 100 can be simplified as 3 by 20, then multiply by 250. Again, to simplify, we can cut both the zeros on numerator and denominator. Then we get 3 into 25, that is 75, then divided by 2. So 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. So we have got the answer. 37.5 is 15% of 250. Now here we have to note down one thing. Here the given quantity has no unit. It is not of any particular unit. Sometimes you will be given the quantity with the units like liter, meter, centimeter, etc. So the obtained quantity also should be written with the same unit. Now, expressing one quantity as the percentage of another quantity. To express one quantity as a percentage of another quantity, we can use the following formula. Percentage is equal to one quantity divided by another quantity into 100. And what we obtain is a percentage, therefore we have to put the percentage symbol. Here we can understand it through this example. Express 20 as a percentage of 50. So here it is very clear that we have 20 parts out of total 50 parts. So it is a fraction, that is 20 by 50. Now in the previous class you have learned how to convert a fraction into a percentage. To convert a fraction into percentage, we multiply the fraction with 100 and then put the percentage sign. That means here we have 20 by 50 into 100%, that is equal to 40%. So 20 is 40% of 50. We can take one more example to understand this. Here we have another question. This question looks slightly different. What percent is 300 gram of 2 kilograms? In this also we have to express 300 gram as a percentage of 2 kilograms. So before doing this, we do an important thing. We are converting 2 kilograms into grams. So 2 kilograms is equal to 2000 grams. It is an important step. Before expressing one quantity as a percentage of another quantity, we have to bring both the quantities into same unit. So we have made 2 kilograms into 2000 grams. Now we have both the quantities in same units, that is in grams. Now we can express 300 grams as a percentage of 2000 grams. Clear that it is 300 out of 2000 parts. So it is 300 divided by 2000 into 100. By simplifying it, we get 15%. So 300 gram is 15% of 2 kilograms. Now we can see how can we find the percentage increase and percentage decrease. Increase or decrease in values are quite common. For example, prices of most of the items are increasing very often. Using this formula, we can obtain the percentage increase in those prices. Or if we go through any decrease in value, we can also find out the percentage decrease in those values. So let us understand how to use this formula. For percentage increase, we have the formula increase in value divided by original value into 100%. So there will be an original value and an increased value. So the increase in value can be obtained by subtracting the original value from the increased value. Similarly, we can obtain the percentage decrease by using the formula decrease in value divided by original value into 100%. Now we can solve a few problems based on the percentage increase or decrease. First question, a school team won 6 games this year against 4 games won last year. What is the percentage increase? Here we have two values. The original value or the old value is 4 and the new value is 6. We have to find out what is the percentage increase in this. So for that we have to find out the increase in value. That means the increase in number of games won is 6 minus 4, that is 2. So we have to find out the solution, or we have to solve it like this. We have to write the steps as usual. First of all, we should write number of games won last year, that is equal to 4. Now number of games won this year, that is equal to 6. So in the increase in the won number of games, that is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So the increase in value is 2 and the original value is 4. So we know that percentage increase equal to increase in value divided by original value into 100. That is equal to 2 by 4 into 100. That is equal to 50%. So the percentage increase in the number of games won is 50%. Another question. Rate of basmati rice last year was rupees 40 a kg. This year they are costly by 20%. What is the price this year? So we can solve it like this. First of all, we have to write rate of basmati rice last year, that is rupees 40 per kg. It was the price for 1 kg of rice. So we write rupees 40 per kg. Now it is also given that the increase in price this year, that means the increase percentage is given here. Increase in price this year is 20%. The increase percentage is 20%. Using this increase percentage, we have to find out the increased value. So 20% means 20% of the original value. That means 20% of rupees 40. So increase in price this year is 20% of rupees 40, that is 20 by 100 into rupees 40. Here this is a step to find out the percentage of a quantity. That means we have to find out 20% of rupees 40. 20% of rupees 40 is 20 by 100 into rupees 40, that is equal to rupees 8. By simplifying 20 by 100 into 40, we get 20 into 40, that is 800, divided by 100, that is equal to rupees 8. So the increase in price this year is rupees 8 and the price last year was rupees 40. To find out the price of this year, we have price of rice this year, we have to add both of these values, that means rupees 40 plus 8 is equal to rupees 48 per 1 kilogram of rice.